Hello Humble Bakers! So for today's video, ipakita ko lang sa inyo yung last private one-on-one workshop with the client. So meron akong 2 students for today. Then yung first student is nag-enroll na rin sa akin before ng hand laminated croissants. And since nagustuhan niya, gusto niyang i-upgrade. So nag-enroll sa akin ngayon ng private workshop. So yun yung kinagandahan ng private workshop because pwede kong i-tailor kung ano yung mga gusto mong specific venoiserie na matutunan. Also, pwede kong i-adjust yung explanation and yung pacing ng ating workshop. Kung saan ka nahihirapan, pwede kong explain ng maayos and ipakita yung procedure nang hindi tayo nagmamadali. Another thing, you get the full spotlight from your coach or from me. Since konti nga lang yung tinuturuan ko, or sometimes isa lang, you get the full focus without being intimidated kung meron kang kasama sa iba. Kasi meron talaga mga students na kapag meron ng mga ibang taong kasama, na-intimidate silang magtrabaho or gumawa. And since dalawa lang sila, they get to enjoy and experience a lot of shaping, cutting, rolling, etc. Unlike kapag madamihan na sometimes 1 or 2 times lang silang nag-shape or roll. Dito parang 1 to sawa na yung ginagawa nila. Another thing, mas cozy and fun yung atmosphere since nasa one-on-one setting. So mas relax, comfortable, and mas madaling na-absorb ng mga students yung mga ideas or yung mga information, pati yung mga techniques. And since konti nga lang yung students because of the one-on-one workshop training, you have a lot of time to ask questions in real time. So, it is applicable for those of you na marunong nang mag-hand laminate and gusto nyong i-upgrade yung skills nyo, or marunong na kayong gumamit ng dough sheeter, however nahihirapan pa kayo. So, this private one-on-one workshop is best for you. For those of you na interested, kindly send me a message para mapag-usapan natin kung ano yung gusto mong matutunan, magkano yung rate, kung ilan kayo, kung saan lugar, kung meron lang kayong kitchen, or if ever wala, magre-rent naman tayo ng kitchen. So by the way nga pala, after kong turuan si students, after a few days lang, nakagawa na sila. And now, they are already selling sa iba't iba nilang coffee shops. And I'm sure within several months, makukuha na ulit nila yung ROI nung in-enroll nila sa akin. Yun lang, salamat!